Hi guys, here's a little trick on how to achieve those beautiful soft natural waves. After dividing the hair in half, take the first hair section, place the straightener, flip it once and pull it gently all the way down. So while it's still hot, flip the section in the right direction and let it cool off. Moving on to the next section, place the straightener, flip it once, and gently pull it all the way down. Okay, moving on to the last section of the sides. Straightener, flip, and slide. The next step is optional, so you don't have to do this, but I love braids, so I'm gonna add a braid to this hairstyle. I'm pulling the braid apart to make it bigger and fuller. Secure the end with a bobby pin and hide it under the hair. Moving on to the fun part, grab the ends and start shaking the hair. And with this, you'll create a bigger, softer and more natural look. Finish off with your favorite hairspray and you're ready to rock this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!